Been wondering how Fiverr Pro account or Fiverr Pro freelancer account is being created, and you are interested to be a Fiverr Pro freelancer. You want to see how to set up your account and what are the things you stand to gain if you eventually become Fiverr Pro seller on a Fiverr account. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you can set up your account even with just your phone. Whether you are using iPhone, tablet, Android, as the case may be. Consider to stay tuned to this video and see how to simply create a Fiverr Pro account without any stress. Let me show you how. This tutorial, I'm using Android phone. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how you get it done. I'm going to simply exit from my Fiverr app right here. So having exit from my Fiverr app right here, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you download and install Fiverr app on your phone right here. Whether you are using Android phone or iPhone, for everyone that is using Android phone, just go to your Play Store right here. Go ahead and click on search. Then come to search app. Then type in Fiverr and hit search, and it's going to take you right here. Click on this result right here and you are here. If you are using iPhone, go to your app store and type in Fiverr, and then it's going to take you right here. Just download and install the app. After a successful download and install the app, hit on open, and it's going to connect and ask you to log in with your Fiverr account username and password. After a successful login to your Fiverr account with your username and password, it will take you to your Fiverr primary account. Then this primary account, you can upgrade it to a Fiverr Pro account. How do you do that? Just follow me. The very first thing you want to do is to click on your profile account right here, and it's going to take you right here. Simply scroll down right here, and then what you need to do here is to go ahead and click on support. Then it's going to take you right here. What you need to do is to make sure, and what you need to do to simply scroll down right here. Continue to scroll down. Continue to scroll down. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on business solution right here. And it's going to take you right here. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on Fiverr Pro. So click on Fiverr Pro. And it's going to take you right here. Scroll down right here and read details about Fiverr Pro. The more you scroll down, the more you see detail right here. Next thing you want to do here is to simply go ahead and click on get started with. So just scroll down right here and read details about Fiverr Pro. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply come to the top right here. Simply click on get started with Fiverr Pro. And you'll be taken right here. You are logging in as a freelancer. What you need to do right here is to simply click on here. Want to offer pro service. Click on here. And it's going to take you right here. Connect with client in your league. Fiverr Pro is the place for top tier fintech freelancer to advance their career and access exclusive opportunity. You can scroll down right here and read details about Fiverr Pro. Bring on the benefit, Pro badge, access to premium clients, get paid by the hourly, onboarding support, exclusive community, customer protection. Application process is being explained right here. Step 1, submit the application form, category, then screening will be done. Decision will be made whether approve or deny or follow up based on your approve. Lastly, an interview will be conducted by talent evaluator. Once your account is approved, you get a pro profile, and a pro badge is going to be attached to your freelance account. Here is how we vet freelancer: skill and expertise, quality delivery, work and education, client satisfaction, active digital, preferences, language, and high motivation, etc. You just want to read details about pro story right here. So next thing you want to do is to go ahead and simply click on apply to become a Fiverr Pro freelancer. Click on apply right here, and follow up the details to submit your application to become pro in Fiverr. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Fiverr topic like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.